All three manufacturers have told me we will not satisfy demand. Intentionally, we will not satisfy demand. We will get half to 3/4 satisfied, but we want people left hungry. That way they go next year and they buy the next year's model and they get excited about next year's model. They know demand is going to decrease as costs continue to go up. Thursday night, the NASDAQ closed at the lowest level since 2008. Inflation has surpassed August 2008. The value of your dollar bill is worth less than it was in 2008. My concern in all this, bringing this up, is that I don't, they don't, and a lot of other people who are far smarter than me do not foresee the nosedive of the economy pulling up in the next 2 years. They don't. They are strapping down and preparing for another 2009, another 2010, another 2011. That's what they're geared up for. All right. Now, some of them, their trajectory is 5 years old, and they're like, we can't do anything about this. We have to get these product out. We're not going to eat them. So you'll see some pretty cool stuff coming out. You know, new Spark next year or this August. You'll see 310 ARC. You know, you'll see some neat stuff coming out. But it's kind of stuff that was already coming down the pike. And they were kind of locked in. It's like, we're stuck. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.